In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text in Canva. Whether you're designing a social media post, a flyer, or a presentation, knowing how to easily incorporate text can really elevate your designs. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open your Canva project. Once you're in your design canvas, notice the toolbar on the left side of the screen. Here, you'll see various options like templates, elements, uploads, and more. We're focusing on the one labeled text. Go ahead and click on it. Now you'll be greeted with some nifty text options. Canva provides a variety of text presets, ranging from simple headings to artistic text designs that could fit different moods or themes for your project. You can enhance a birthday card with a bold, festive headline, or maybe opt for a more subtle, professional look for business materials. However, today's focus is on adding your custom text. So after clicking text, look for the add a text box option. Clicking this will place a text box directly onto your design canvas. It's that easy. Now with the text box added, you have complete freedom to start typing whatever you wish. Type in anything, a caption, quote, or heading, whatever suits your current design project. Keep in mind the fun's just beginning after you've added your text. Canva allows you to tailor it in multiple ways to truly personalize the message you're sending. Once your text is there, you'll notice a formatting toolbar appears right above your canvas area. From here you can change your text's font, size and color, have an eye for specific typography, browse through Canva's extensive font library to find just the right fit for your design concept. You can further adjust your text box by clicking and dragging its corners to resize the text area, or click and hold anywhere inside the box to reposition it precisely where you want it on your design. To align it perfectly or distribute multiple text elements evenly, Canva's smart guides that snap your text into place can be incredibly helpful. If at any point you need to adjust the spacing or add some more flourish, don't forget about the advanced text options such as letter spacing and line height adjustments. These little tweaks can make a significant difference in the overall balance and readability of your text on the canvas. To wrap things up, let's do a quick recap. Simply navigate to the text tool on the left, add a text box, type in your desired text and customize to your heart's content. And just like that, you have everything you need to make your text as impactful and visually appealing as the rest of your design. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're ready to start adding fabulous text to your Canva designs. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy designing!